everybody, this Christmas, this new year, we have got something very special for you. This year was very special for us. We have got thousands of students who have got their desired scores in PTE, NAATI, CCL and IELTS, and to make this year even better, now we are offering 50% off on a PTE and NAATI CCL unlimited combo. Plus we are offering heavy discounts on all our PTE and NAATI CCL course, both on campus and online. You can book your slot now and start later, but the offer is only valid for next 72 hours. You need to book your slot in next 72 hours and you can start anytime later as well. 50% off on PTE and NAATI CCL combo and heavy discounts on all the other PTE and NAATI CCL courses. To know more or to book your slot, just give us a call or send us a message on numbers given below, and our team members will be with you, and we will make sure you do not waste your time, you do not waste your money. Get your desired scores in the very first go like all the other students, and get your permanent residency or your visa sorted here in Australia. Varun from Language Academy, offer is only valid for next 72 hours. Send us a message or give us a call, grab the offer, start anytime later, and make your PTE, NAATI and IELTS journey a successful one.